folks, welcome back to Boddington Farm. Well, as we all know, I'm doing some slaughtering of some chickens tomorrow, and part of that process is going to be having to dunk the carcass into some hot water to assist with the plucking of the feathers. Now, I don't have a bucket or tin bucket big enough for that, or a store-bought container, so I had to get resourceful. So what do? I went dumpster diving. Yes, Agent went dumpster diving, and what I found was this 20-litre vegetable oil tin out behind one of our shopping complexes in the big dumpster bins. And so this cost me nothing. What I'm going to be doing with this is that I'll just cut around the rim here, take the lid off, and then I'll put a couple of holes on each side to make a rudimentary wire handle. And that, after it's washed up, is going to be my water container for dunking the chicken carcass in. So, let me get to it, do some cutting, and I'll be right back with you to see what we've got. There we go, folks. Lid's been cut. Then we have, after I give it a clean out, which should suffice for some hot water for scorching or scalding the carcass to get feathers off. But I wonder, what could I use this for? This is Sparta! There we have it, folks. It's in theory how it's supposed to work. I've got my tripod camping hanger frame. Made a handle out of some galvanized wire I had laying around, plus a hook. So that will just sit or hang over the campfire. Well, that's a theory anyway, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it works tomorrow, folks. But there you go, that's my cheap chicken scalding container. So this is actually going to be a SHEDWARS tip. You don't have to go looking, through your major retail shops or hardware outlets for stuff to use. Let's try and be a little bit resourceful and look in places where other people may not think to go look in. Like, the dumpsters behind your major shopping outlets. You might find some good, handy, useful stuff here, like this baby. Anyhow, folks, hope this is giving you some inspiration. If it has, share the bejeebers out of this, or if you think this is a bit of a wild idea, give us a big thumbs up, hit the bell, even tickle the bell and hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next video, folks. We're gurus.